Good foot brake, that, isn't it? Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Orlando International Airport. For your own safety, you must remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs are turned off. As all exits and aisles still need to remain clear, we'll return any items we stowed for you as soon as the aircraft reaches the gate. When opening the overhead lockers, please be careful of items that could fall out and cause injury, and smoking is not allowed until you reach a designated smoking area in the terminal building. The local time here in Orlando is now 5:05 in the evening, and the temperature is a very warm 33 degrees centigrade, which is approximately 92 degrees Fahrenheit. Once to immigration, you must claim your luggage and clear customs before proceeding to Terminal B, Level 2 for baggage reclaim. For your return flight, Virgin Atlantic is delighted to offer our check-in facility in the Disney downtown area, so you can enjoy the final day at the Disney attractions before your return flight. Opening hours are 8 AM to 1 PM, and boarding passes are issued and your luggage checked and transferred to the airport. The facility is available to all at just $5 per person. Flying Club Gold members, Virgin Holidays and upper class customers may use this facility free of charge. Visitors joining a Disney cruise should check in with a Virgin Holidays representative. Before leaving your seat, please check that you do have all your personal belongings with you, as we know how easy it is to forget mobile phones and other personal items. And to avoid delays, have your passport and documentation visible to the authorities here. If you have pre-booked any assistance, one of our ground agents will be waiting just outside the aircraft door. While returning on a Virgin Atlantic flight, why not use our quick and easy self-service check-in? This service is available at selected destinations. Please confirm this facility with a member of the ground staff or on our internet site. If you do require assistance leaving the aircraft, please remain seated until the majority of customers have disembarked, when a crew member will be able to assist you. It really has been our pleasure having you on board this Virgin Atlantic flight from Manchester. Thank you for choosing us, and we do look forward to seeing you on board again soon. Before your next flight with us, why not check out our website at virginatlantic.com for information on flight codes, Virgin Atlantic's weekly flight programme, and more information on our services. Thank you, and do have a very safe and pleasant onward journey.